Good morning guys! Today is December 1, 2022. We're in. It's the first day of December. Nga ning balik ta og vlog diri sa Bohol. Kay ning work man ta dito sa Manila for 5 months. Then not usually dili ta ka-upload or dili ta ka-video kaayo kay busy kayo ang work. Then today we'll be starting sa new journey dinhi sa Bohol. So guys, my first day today is wadto ta sa Dr. Cecilio Putong National High School kay mo visit ta. Then my question is, what if
Paano kung bumalik yung greatest what if mo?
kubalik ko high school? So stay tuned and please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind.
So what's up guys? Good morning. We are here at Dr. Cecilio Putong National High School where kung diin ko nag-eskwela sa una in high school. padong na pumulot na rin guys. Update naman ang class. Natawa na daw nakadong na tagpulay guys.